So hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me Alexa, the lady extraordinaire, and we are going to unbox a Christian Dior parfum. And lady at the counter, at the Dior counter, she really knows her stuff. Now let's see, scented paper. Here is the main box. Christian Dior. It's a beautiful box. Very sturdy. Very well made. Really nice and beautiful. Before we open that box, I'm gonna show you a couple of things I've got from this purchase. Here's the Oud Ispahan liquid hand and body soap. Oud Ispahan liquid hand and body soap. Again, Ambre Nuit liquid hand and body soap. Ambre Nuit liquid hand and body soap. Oud Ispahan body crème. Here they are. And another one of the Oud Ispahan body crème. So let's roll. Oops. I don't want to ruin this box. So I'm just gonna go like this. Like so. And so. Now here is the opening yarn. Trying to do this with one hand yarn. So here is the box, the purchase, and let's see what I got first. This is a free gift. It's a little gift I've got. Oh man. It's the Ambre Nuit perfume soap. Of course, this is a gift, like kind of a sample soap. I don't think the soaps that you will buy are this small. Oh, divine. Now I'll put it back in this little. That was the first gift. Now on to the second one. Yes, Ambre Nuit, Christian Dior, the eau de parfum. Sampler or yeah, splash bottle. Oh, as y'all know, Ambre Nuit, right? It's one of the most popular scents. And now to the real purchase. It's a tiny little, la collection Privée. It's the 40 milliliter of spice blend. I think this was the last one. I don't think they have much more of these small 40 ml bottles. These small bottles are really perfect. You can bring them to work, you can travel with them with no problems. As opposed to those bigger bottles, you know. It's so tiny and cute. milliliter of spice blend Christian Dior. Now for comparison, I'm gonna show you the bigger bottles, the 250 ml bottles. So for comparison, here is the 40 ml spice blend, and here is the DIOR 250 ml. Now let's see the bottles. 200 ml, 40 ml. This kind of looks like a sample, honestly. It does not look like a full bottle, you know, but Bois d'Argent also in a 250 ml. Yeah. So let's try this baby on here. I don't think I have anything here. One spritz, wow. Oh, it's so darn beautiful. It's really spicy, really fresh, really summery. For me, it's alive. It's living. It's alive. A scent very much alive. So let's put this baby back in its crib, y'all. Thanks for watching. Ciao.